Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Captain Marvel in Marvel Rivals. Captain Marvel is a formidable offensive vanguard, designed to lead the charge and disrupt enemy lines. She combines powerful close-range punches with versatile photon blasts for mid-range engagements. Her unique flight allows for exceptional mobility, letting her quickly reposition or engage airborne threats. Mastering her energy absorption ultimate is key to turning the tide of battle, converting incoming damage into a significant advantage. Let's dive into her core abilities. Her basic heavy punches deliver significant damage up close, making her a threat in melee range. For targets slightly further away, her photon blast provides a reliable energy projectile. Don't forget her free flight, which grants incredible mobility. Use it to quickly close gaps, escape danger, or challenge flying enemies like Storm or Iron Man. Integrating flight into your attack patterns allows for dynamic and unpredictable engagements. Captain Marvel's energy absorption is her signature move. Her energy barrier can shield herself and teammates from incoming fire, providing crucial defensive utility. Her ultimate, energy absorption, is a game changer. Activate it precisely when enemies unleash their high-damage abilities or ultimates. This transforms their aggression into a temporary boost in your own damage output and movement speed, making you incredibly dangerous for several seconds. It's a powerful counterplay tool. For advanced play, Captain Marvel excels at initiating teamfights. Dive into the enemy backline to draw their attention, creating openings for your damage-focused teammates. Her flight is excellent for controlling the skies, making her a strong anti-air presence. Remember to communicate with your team. A well-timed ultimate can negate an entire enemy push. By absorbing key abilities, you empower yourself and enable your team to secure objectives and win engagements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.